What's up guys, Sean here. In today's video I'm going to show you guys a screen recording software which I use daily, and it's called OBS, which stands for Open Broadcaster Software, and I'll show you guys how to download it. So first we'll open up a web browser and then we'll type in again OBS, and then we'll see this first obsproject.com. We'll click that and then we'll go to download, and you can select your operating system. I'll select Windows, and then we can click download installer. Okay, so once you have downloaded, installed and set up OBS, you'll see a screen that looks like this, and most probably you won't have this, and that's because you didn't set up the sources. So I'll talk about that later, and so I'll just explain the basic UI. So this first one is the scenes. I currently have only one scene. If you want, you can add more scenes by clicking this plus icon. And one of the features I like about OBS is that you can move these toolbars. So you can move this here. You can just change it as you like. So you can either keep it like this, or you can maybe move it to the side, and you can put it back in the same place. And that works for everything. So it works for this audio mixer, and it works for everything. So the next thing is sources, and the source is basically is the thing you capture, and I have currently set it to display capture, so it'll capture everything on my display. Now you can add more sources by clicking this plus icon, and you can select whichever you want. Now if you select window capture, it'll capture only one particular window, and it applies for everything like that. And then the next is the audio mixer. So I have set it to my microphone. I can change the settings, and I can increase the volume, I can increase and decrease. And I have only one mic, so I have set it only one. I haven't kept it for the desktop sounds and all. And then the next is the scene transition. So I don't use that much because I only use one scene. And at last is the controls. So there's an option you can stream. So I don't stream much, so I don't use the option. I haven't set the option up. And the next, you see the below starts streaming, you'll see start recording. I'm currently recording, so I'll only see stop recording. And then you can see this pause button also here. And then you will see studio mode, which you'll get two displays. And then you'll see the settings, and you get the screen, and then you can change the settings as you like. So you can change the theme. When you go to general, you can change the theme to dark or system, or there are many different options. So I have kept it to the dark, the default. And then you can stream for Twitch, YouTube, Facebook and all. And then there's a lot of other options you can change. And then there's this hotkeys option where you can start streaming and all by giving hotkeys. And then finally you have this exit button. And I think that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. This is Sean signing off.